How to find the best Suno AI promo codes. In this video, I'll show you where or how you can find best Suno AI promo codes that is actually working. Now you're going to be paying for a sub or a specific credits on using Suno AI, and I'm going to help you stretch down the actual price for it. Create a new tab in your current browser and type in simply codes. Then from here, all you have to do is to type in Suno, and then it is usually located at the very first result. Now you can also follow up with typing in Suno AI and then choose on the first one. In here, you can go ahead and choose on the preferred code that you would like to have, and then just simply click this option here that says show code, copy it, and then paste it into Suno's official site. And that's how you find the best Suno AI promo codes.